my turn. Oh no! Tell him to build a coffin. Today is that season. 100 MCs that get murdered. Call Mr. Martin. Oh no! Tell him to build a coffin. Today is that season.
What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And my purpose in life is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. Wanted to make a quick video. I know today is Wednesday. However, I did wanted to make a Fatboy Tuesday. It's a day late, but it's going to be coming up a little bit. I'm going to make more Fatboy Tuesday videos. Now, the purpose of this video is, the good thing is I am down 16, 17 pounds. And then I slowed down. I just maintained it. So now I'm at like 204. 204, so that's 16 pounds. So now in the next 90 days, I gotta get down to 160 pounds. How I'm gonna do it? I have my whole setup. I made a Google, a Gmail sheets, and I just put everything I gotta do to break it down to make it to 160 by November 30th. I'm gonna call it 90 Days of Madness. I'm not gonna make a whole series about it. I'm just gonna put before and after from November 30th. It started September 2nd to November 30th. That's 90 days. So I have to get down to 160 pounds. So I'm gonna just lose everything. Still going to work out. Starting in October, I got something special going on, so I'm not going to talk about that yet because I want to start it before it happens. But I have it written down and stuff like that, so I should be good. Everything's going great, down 16 pounds, just maintaining, can't complain about life. However, I am going to go down to 160 pounds, so look at me now. It's going to be a little bit different in 90 days, so not even, so I got 88 days left to get down to 160 pounds. So let's go. Just wanted to make a short video. Fatboy Tuesdays is coming back every week, so I am going to definitely start making Fatboy Tuesdays videos. So thank you for watching my videos. Peace.